Do your dreams fill you with hope? Are they pleasant? Dreams aren't made by your brain. You can protest all you want, but they aren't. You know when you wake up with bruises, cuts, blisters, pimples, etc., that weren't there before you went to sleep, and you don't know how you came by them? They caused it. They observe from wherever they can, whether it be from underneath your bed or in your closet. They wait for you to go to sleep. Then they cart you off and experiment. They craft and plant dreams into your mind so that you won't remember what they did. If you're lucky, they quietly return you to your bed when they finish. If not, you disappear without a trace. How do I know? I know because they forgot to give me dreams. Do you know why they do it? They do it because they can. Because it thrills them. They enjoy interfering with others. Sometimes, they enjoy doing more than simply interfering. As for who they are and where they take you, trust me, you're better off not knowing. I hope they never forget to give me dreams again, because I don't know if my heart can handle it a second time. Sweet dreams.